So I already took out the 213 bolts right here to hold up the starter. I took out the 10 right here to take out this shield because I need to. Turns out I'm gonna have to drop it. And this wire right here, this is the one that's loose. That's why the truck, clicks when I try to turn her on. So I just got to put it down. I think the nut size is a 13. So yeah. Okay, I already took it out. It's right here. I just need to put my other gloves on so I can tighten it down. The flywheel looked like it's chipped, or it looked like it's grinding against the flywheel. Right now I gotta check the gear. See inside it. That looks fine. Yeah, I just made tighten down. Then put it back together. Disconnect the battery and start it off. Okay, I already tightened it down. That bolt up there, I don't know if you can see it. That motherfucker right there in the middle of the screen. These two, I already put it back. Put back the dust shield. Always put this back just to protect anything from going inside the flywheel housing. Now what I gotta do is just go back up, connect the battery again, crank her up, see if she starts up. Because before she was giving me problems. But now I tightened it down, so it's going on. Alright, let's start it up. Let's go. Ooh, like butter, baby.